Hi guys, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm here to give you some tips on how you can grow or kung paano pa mas paparamihin guys yung sales mo as a TikTok affiliate. So these tips guys is based on my experience and I just want to share it to you guys dahil tulungan tayo dito. Chareng. So before that guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell na rin to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I have here my scripts. Nandito siya para hindi ako malito sa topic na i-discuss natin for today. Wow! So ayun nga guys, short story. So dati meron akong TikTok shop which is I make and sell a different type and designs of bracelets. However guys, that shop is already closed dahil simula nung nag-implement si TikTok shop na dapat every TikTok seller is mag-apply or mag-register sa DTI and BIR. And yun, simula nun, hindi ko na na-manage yung aking business and it's closed now. Dahil yun nga guys, busy ako nun sa ACADS and talagang mahirap siya pagsabayan and sobrang hassle nun guys, diba? However, ayun nga, gumawa ko ng solution dahil I want to earn my own money too. So, ang ginawa ko guys, yung account na yun, ginawa ko na lang siya as a TikTok affiliate account. Hindi na siya seller account guys, yung hindi na mismo ako yung nagmamanage. So ang ginawa ko guys, since meron naman yung 1,000 followers, nag TikTok affiliate or pinasok ko na yung TikTok affiliate guys. So yun na lang, yun nga, dun na lang tayo ngayon nag-earn ng commission. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you my commission doon and magbibigay rin ako sa inyo ng tips on how you can grow your earnings guys sa TikTok shop as an affiliate. So meron ako ditong 6 tips and yon, sana may matutunan kayo. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna show you my commission for the month of March. So disclaimer guys, not to brag, and I'm just showing it for the sake of evidence and ano na rin guys, para ma-inspire pa kayo mag-affiliate. So this was my commission for the month of March guys. Ayan, makikita nyo naman dyan, 1,028.68. So April 3 na and dyan nga yung earnings natin for the month of March. So hindi siya ganun kalakihan guys, but still malaking tulong na rin yan as a student sa akin. And yun, nabibili ko na yung mga gusto kong bilhin. And also guys, minsan mababait yung mga seller sa TikTok na kung saan if you request a free sample, yung iba agad-agad nilang i-accept and yung iba naman reject. However, ayun, as long as meron, di ba guys? Okay, goods na yun. So, etong 1,000 na to, 1,028, yun nga, I earned this for the month of March. And sa akin as a student, malaki na siyang halaga guys dahil pambili mo ng kung ano-ano, di ba? So ayun, na hindi ka nahingi sa parents mo. So yun nga, simulan na nga natin yung tips para makaipon kayo or para mas mag-grow pa yung earnings nyo as a TikTok affiliate. So ads guys, itong suot ko palang necklace is free sample galing kay TikTok. So ayan, di ba, napakaganda. Pero kung hindi nyo nagagandahan, wala akong paki. Charing. So ayun, punta na tayo sa tip. So yung first tip nga guys is consistent uploads of video. So maski walang nanonood sa'yo, as long as nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo, then do it and upload your video. Huwag mo nang pakialaman guys yung sasabihin ng mga ibang tao or mga basher mo, diba? Dead mas sa basher, sabi nga. So ayun, consistent uploads of video maski walang nanonood sa'yo guys. Dahil for example, kaka-upload mo pa lang siya ngayon, hindi naman basta-basta yan sisikat guys. So it takes a lot of time or it takes time bago mag-boom yung isang video. So use trending hashtags and make a catchy caption guys. So kasi for example, nag-scroll yung isang audience sa TikTok and saktong-sakto duman yung video mo sa For You page nila and kailangan nila yung item na nilagay mo sa yellow bag mo. So there's an instance kung saan mag-check out siya sa ginawa mong video. So in that case guys, makaka-earn ka ng commission sa video na ginawa mo. So gumawa ka ng video and do it consistently. So mag-upload ka ng mag-upload. Sabi dun guys, sa mga napapanood ko, make or upload 3 videos as much as possible. 3 or more videos per day as much as possible. Kasi yun nga, hindi naman siya a day lang basta-basta magbo-boom guys. So it takes time na. So trust the process, sabi nga, di ba? So ayun, be patient and enjoy the journey. So enjoy mo yung pag-edit, yung pag-shoot ng video, and enjoy mo lang and be grateful. Kapag meron kang viewers, so ayun, maging grateful ka. Pag may nag-check out sa'yo, yun, maging grateful ka. So tip number 2 is be creative. So pag sinabi natin creative guys, so syempre marami ka ng competitor na TikTok affiliate. I mean, yeah, madami ng TikTok affiliates na nag-upload ng kung ano-ano. So ayun, be creative guys, huwag kang magpapatalo, 'di ba? Mayabang ka. So ayun, huwag kang magpapatalo. So be creative and maglagay ka ng mga catchy na thumbnails, na edits, basta ganun, galingan mo sa pag-edit. Tapos be aesthetic, ganun. So gumawa ka ng sarili mong style or branding ng pag-promote ng product. So in that case, uy, ang ganda naman ng pag-edit ito, check out ko na ganun. So ayun guys, so yun, mabubudol mo yung customer mo doon. Tignan mo yung mga famous na TikTok affiliates like Jomar Yee, yung balagbag siya kung mag-video. Alam mo yun guys, alam mo yun. So ano bang hinihintay mo? Hindi ka pa yung basta yun ganun. So gumawa ka ng sarili mong style ng pag-create ng video content guys, or ng pag-promote ng product, para nang sa ganun makatch mo yung attention ng audience mo and ng future buyer mo. So tip number 3 guys, upload a catchy and good quality video. So yun nga, parang sinabi ko rin sa tip number 2, be creative. So dito naman guys, upload a catchy and good quality video content. So after mo maging creative, make sure rin na dapat malinaw yung video quality mo. Hindi yung creative ka nga, pero pagdating na or pag-upload mo na sa TikTok, 360 lang pala. Basta make sure na maganda yung edit mo, tapos dapat maganda rin yung quality ng video mo. And also guys, when it comes to thumbnail, pwede ka rin mag-edit using PixArt or any application. And also guys, maging creative ka na rin pagdating sa sa caption mo. So make a catchy caption na rin. So ayun, parang cloud chaser ka, bida-bida ka ganun. So ayun. So tip number 4 guys is share your videos to your friends or families. So kung ayaw mo naman, edi okay lang. Pero pag gusto mong i-share sa friends mo, for example, yung isang friend mo, meron na siyang ginagamit na isang product, tapos naubos yung ginagamit niya. So, bibili ulit siya. So, pwede ang gawin mo, i-share mo yung ginawa mong video promoting yung product sa friend mo. Pwede rin kasi ngayon guys, meron na atang bagong option si TikTok na kung saan even though you're not making or creating a video, pwede ka pa rin maka-earn ng commission by just sharing the link of your affiliate product. Yung naka-showcase na sa'yo na product guys sa yellow bag mo, you can share the link of that product and send it to your friend even though hindi ka mag-create ng video. So in that case guys, makaka-earn ka pa rin ng commission. So don't be shy to share your videos or your products or affiliate products to your friends and families. So, kung hindi naman sila suportado sa ginagawa mo, it's okay guys. And ayun, marami pa namang tao sa TikTok, hindi lang sila. So, madami lang mag-check out sa'yo. Tiwala lang guys, trust the process. So, next is ayun, if someone is looking for product, for example, your friends or family member nga, don't hesitate to offer na ikaw na yung maghahanap ng product na yun para sa kanila, tapos kaka-copy link mo na lang, isesend mo sa kanila, and dun sila mag-check out sa yellow bag mo, makaka-earn ka ng commission boy. And in that case, you can grow up your commission. Tapos eto pa, advice na lang to guys. So life is short, so dedmahin mo na yung mga basher mo guys. So pag sinasabi na lang cringe yung paggawa ng video content. Na ganito cringe naman mag-video ni ganyan. Ang pangit, gano'n. So, dead mind mo na sila, guys. So, every successful person, nagsisimula talaga yan sa hindi pagiging pabebe. So, they execute everything that they have in their mind. Basta gano'n. So, they don't fear risk. They risk. Tama. They risk. Diba sabi nga, guys, high risk, high reward. So, ayun. Huwag kayong matakot mag-take ng risk. Ayan, pero minimize risk naman pag kaya. Siyempre, make a plan first before you execute. So, kaya naman i-minimize yung risk as long as you're being responsible. So, ayun. Enjoy nyo lang. Enjoy nyo lang talaga yung pagiging TikTok affiliate nyo, guys. And one day, magugulat na lang kayo. Isa na rin kayo sa nakaka-earn ng 6 digit. Ay, diba? So, ayun. Huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob pag walang nag-check out sa shop nyo, guys. So, meron at meron yan. Kasi, nung nagsisimula rin ako, nagugulat ako pagka-upload ko pa ng video, umaabot agad siya ng 200 plus views, ganun. So, may time rin na mababa. So, may day na walang check out, ganun. Pero huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob. Just trust the process. Diba? And always remember that life is not a race. So, kung sumakses yung iba ng mas maaga or kung mas madami yung earnings nila, that doesn't mean na hindi ka na rin aabot sa point na tataas yung commission mo. So, step by step yan bago ka sumakses. So, ayun guys, trust the process and enjoy. And sabi nga sa Isaiah 60 verse 22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. So, sabi sa Isaiah 60 verse 22. So, ayun. Enjoy nyo lang yung process. And, makaka-earn din kayo dyan. At grow din yung TikTok affiliate journey. Diba? So, yun. Dito ka na rin na-end yung video. And I hope you've learned a lot for today. Ewan ko kung ilan na yung tips ko. Sabi ko sa intro, 6. Pero, around 5 na ata yun. Pero, ayun. Be creative, consistent upload a catchy video and high quality video, and also catchy captions, and share your videos with your friends and families. So that's it guys, I hope you've learned for today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye. It's been a while guys. See you on my next video.